We want to know how to set a difficulty mode without starting a match or before starting a match in Raid Shadow Legends. Well, no worries. So if you want your opponents to be more tough and if you want your game to be more harder, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you and teach you how you can easily make your game harder. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends application and make sure you have cleared out all the tutorials. So we have also created similar videos of Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So in order to change the difficulties, on the bottom right side you should be seeing battle right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you selected battle, you can see various battles that you can choose. So just simply select campaign for now. And now once you selected campaign, you should be seeing various options. And on the bottom left side you should be seeing this normal drop down box right here. Just simply select that. And here you can just simply change it from hard, brutal to nightmare accordingly. So you will also need a specific level for this and a specific champion. And that's it. Now you can just simply start your game and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.